Now, Inside Edition with Eva Pilgrim.
It's Nurses Appreciation Week, a profession not worried about AI taking their jobs.
Code blue, code blue.
It's all hands on deck for these nursing students. They're rushing into a hospital room for an intense simulation of what they'd face in a real emergency.
3, 4.
These nursing students are entering what many are calling America's hottest profession. Why? This headline says it all. AI will never replace us. There's growing concern that AI will replace humans in lots of white-collar jobs, but that's not likely to happen in manual or skilled labor professions such as construction workers, mechanics, plumbers, and professions like nursing.
I think with nursing, it's that nuance of the warm human touch, a gentle smile, the eye contact, the advocacy, the empathy that the nurse has for their patients.
Perfect.
So, in appreciation of National Nurses Week, we salute the beloved profession. They're not only dedicated caregivers, they also know how to crack a joke.
Like, why is everyone in the OR staring at me? Like, maybe I'm like cute today or something?
What's the worst place to hide in the hospital? The ICU.
It's a good joke. Up next.